Hey guys, this is Bernie. Welcome to my channel where I show you guys how to do web and graphic design. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the background of this image. So this image went from here to here. So at the end of the video, you guys will be able to remove the background of this image or any other image. So I will show you the tool and technique that I use to remove the background from this image. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. There's different ways of doing it. There's different ways, techniques, and tools. But in this video, I'll show you the way I did it. And I think for this image, it's the best way to select the image and extract it from that background. Okay, so before I get started, I want to let you guys know that you can download this image. I will add the link below this video so you guys can follow the video step by step. And I also want to let you know that I'm using Photoshop CS6, but if you're using a different version of Photoshop, you should be able to get the same result. All the tools are the same. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is zoom in the image. You can press Z on your keyboard, and that brings the zoom tool. Okay, so let's start from here. Let's go ahead and grab the lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, and just click anywhere on the image. Start here and just start selecting the part that you want to select or you want to extract. And then to move the entire image, you want to press space bar on your keyboard. As you can see, it changes the cursor to that hand. Okay, and just continue selecting that image. Okay, as you can see, the lasso tool is doing a very good job selecting just the image that we want to extract. Space bar, continue selecting the image. If you mess up, you can all just go back, or you can press backspace on your keyboard. Okay, so just continue selecting that image. Click. Don't worry about that part, we'll fix that later. Just continue selecting. Okay. Space bar. Go back here. Make sure we select that. There we go. Click space bar. Space bar, move the image. Okay, as you can see, it's selecting just the image. Even the hair is doing a good job with the hair. It's usually hard to select the hair, but this one is doing a very good job. Okay, and then we get here. Click. Alright, so we can fix that later. Alright, so but the first thing that we're gonna fix is this part right here. We're gonna make that straight. So let's come back to the lasso tool, right click on it, and this time let's select polygonal lasso tool. Make sure you have this selected, add to selection. So select, click right there. If you want a straight line, you can press shift and that gives you a straight line. Actually, you don't have to, you just select it right there and will automatically give you the straight line. Okay, connect these two together by double clicking it. Okay, as you can see, it gives us a straight line. And the next part that we're gonna do here, same thing, it's just this one. You can go here, select the part that we wanna fix, double click. There you go. If select, there we go. So that fixed it. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is extract that. So we can go ahead and just right click on it and select layer via copy. Okay, click on that, and then if you turn off the background, now we have our image extracted without the background. Okay, we see a small background here, so we can come back to the lasso tool and just select just that section. Okay, delete key on the keyboard, and that will delete that part. And we see some background here that's easy to fix. What we're gonna do here is select the layer and click on the thumbnail, but before that you want to make sure you press Control on your keyboard and then click on the thumbnail. As you can see, that changes when you press Control, cursor changes, so you want to click it and that selects the image. And then with the polygonal lasso tool selected, you will see this option, refine edges or refine edge, and then you don't have to do anything here. Just go ahead and refine the edge with this tool selected. As you can see, it's doing a very good job here, removing some of the background that was left when we extracted the image. A little bit here. And let's do this one more time. There you go. So as you can see, everything else looks good except there's a little bit blue here. So just kind of go around. There we go. So it just removes the background that was left. Doesn't remove the image. So once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and create a new layer. So we're gonna put this new selection to a new layer. Go ahead and click that, and as you can see, there's a difference. So this is the new layer and that's the old one. Okay, so now we have that image selected and extracted without the background. The only thing that we have left now is the background. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on a white background. So mine is already set to white, so you want to make sure that's white. Click there, and we're gonna make that gradient. Let's do the black and white. That looks good. We just want to change that to a different color here. Yeah, there we go. And there you guys have it. It's very smooth edge. So if you zoom all the way in at 100%, see, it's very smooth. So that's how we extracted this image from the background using the lasso tool. So if you guys liked this video, if it helped you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay. Once again, in this channel, I'll show you guys how to do web and graphic design. You may also like my other videos that I have in this channel. Go ahead and watch them and let me know what you think. Thank you, and see you next time.